secrecy stuff and wiring it.
You know you're not supposed to touch a woman's hair.
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's rule
I'm a
number
foreigner.
one. Oh, well.
I didn't know
Me
that.
learned
Is that
today.
What is it called? Assault or something?
It's called disrespect.
Disrespect?
Yeah.
Which hair are we talking about?
My hair. Any woman's hair.
Anybody's hair. That's why Jamaican men don't eat pum-pum.
Tough.
They don't eat pum-pum because the Jamaican woman said, don't touch my hair.
Also, if you eat her pum-pum, you want to touch her hair?
Oh, you've got, I don't know, a fork and knife maybe? That way you don't die. I don't know. What are you suggesting? You want the Parmesan or not?
Fresh drop, you know. I'm alone, can't do it. Watch out. Watch your style. Watch your style, people. TikTok, watch your style. 18 out. And child. What's an child? No joke. No police can't tell him nothing of him. Brawling. No joke.
Brawling viral a morning in a dog. Tell us no go hear about your morning, you know.
This a man a drop down father. Father, watch out.
Tell us no hear about your morning, you know, dog.
Me can't believe this.
Oh, no.
This a man a drop down. You be not going near him?
Brawling a morning, man.
Me bumbuck.
Right time. Tell us no hear about your
I can't
morning,
feel much of
dog.
a serious thing, father. Yeah. You see him can take a look at him.
Dog, I go sleep, so. Right, that's why dog go sleep, you know.
You take a flash from bar alone.
You see it? See it, Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. Tell them, my dog, don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. Don't fuck.
Long time me I tell you no say river come. Stand the boy. Oh no move the car, make it pack them wash and move the car. Move the car.
Blood time
Long time me I tell you no.
Nothing a joke. Eh?
Them a lose sitting.
Look how long we are telling us every bar come. Take a woman who don't take up his sitting them.
Could I? Take up his sitting them.
Virgin, move the car.
I move the car. Fuck out no.
Move the pot.
Fuck out. Could I?
Bumbo flat. A long time we tell us every
A
bar
long time me I tell you no. Where? Watch out. Oh. Yes, man.
In a year no man. Because I'm stubborn, you know.
Tell you no.
I chew no blood clot stubborn.
Tell you no.
I chew me no want to wash everything back on.
Tell you no. See that talk a cool gun. So that cool gun there.
It's stubborn, you know.
Long time me I tell you no.
For me, I good on me call and I tell us every bar come. Where they come from?
Hey, Jude, but you know how long for you tell me? You know how long me ready and tell them say?
Ryan, and tell them to bring in river come.
And we are drunk and my girlfriend reach and call me. No, we cool gun. No, they take them, they show them out, man. That's why soup and something.
For me, I good on me tell them to river come.
We tell them, and a long time we tell them, no. Oh, yes, man, water warm and nice. Ryan, me don't respect nobody.
I'm going to bumbo clock kill you. Man, go suck in my blood clot. Bumbo ass clot. Don't believe me now? Any man give me dead. Me with that bumbo clot. Any pussy give me dead. I'm not afraid that boy go suck him, man.
Famous cowboy, man. Cowboy, you bling out, man. Cowboy, you bling out, man. No, cowboy, give me a pose, man.
When I go look there, when I see
When I look at what happened.
wicked on this style.
Wicked, is that?
I'm going to talk to my
Eh?
That's so style, yeah. You see?
Eh.
I'm about to have a show you. Before you back up.
Man, Where that go?
You finish tell me where you check the
Don't
corner.
you say whatever say me gonna look guy.
Hey.
A working stylist.
A working style is that?
Working stylist.
So you're a dig pit in this outfit.
Never dig right, I don't know about dig and pop right.
The cowboy, if you look so, if you go dig pit. How you look when I look girl?
When I go look girl, you'll get the king of a pass here.
Me say, me mind upon one woman, you see. Me say, no la. But me don't know how me love her so much. No one ever hard herself for me. Like my baby mother from Springgrove. My baby mother from Springgrove, she hard herself for me. When she a bed, me can't carry soap go, me can't carry rag go, me can't put no water in her bathroom. I don't know pipe over there. But you see, know that, She said, bring everything come to me. Bring water, bring soap. We say, see the tight over there. You see, night, you get everything. Me not have to ask. No panty, sauce panty, yes, no panty, hey!
I can't take up my bill phone. I should be in a blood clot pocket when I look on the camera and see him take up my bill phone. Oh, about 40 blood clot kick and back and get out of the bar. Ah, no, I'm not touching. I'm good on now, I buy 2 jack and 2 brother. Because I know say them are the real bumbo clot killer. And I say, yo, killer. I want a whistle and I did it now. And I take out my billy and pull on. I say, by the time I take out and pull on, I see man stretching and over my head like so. And take out my billy like 10 minute things so I don't switch on him take it. And I'm looking at the camera like so I switch on him. I say, yo, post it. Put on my bill phone. Where you take out my bill phone? And my friend and the man still at me. Oh, about 40 blood clot boxing get by the time you come out of the bar.
Who need me?
Me too. What you want? Buy a Pepsi?
Anything.
Alright, give a Pepsi the mail. How much it? Alright, call it a Pepsi then.
Sir.
Oh, you reach up there so quick. I run me down.
No, sir. Make a money and tell them who wounded, sir.
What is wounded?
Show
Show me your own, as the man said. What the wounded?
Right there, so when you can't buy a Pepsi, you feel it now, my foot can now walk up and down and now no money.
You walk and dip.
And no money now walk and I feel it now, my foot. When you can't buy a Pepsi from him, me have to tell him to owe him or give me the rent. I'm owing the rent.